Hey guys, what's up? So we're going to get right into this video because my brows are in desperate need of some TLC. So for my updated brow routine, I start off by removing any excess oils around the skin, around the brow, and I then remove any unwanted hair. So I take my eyebrow razor and I'm just going to carefully clean up around the surface of the brow and remove the hair that I do not want. Now guys, I probably have to use my brow razor twice a week because my brows grow back quickly. This entire routine, I would say I do every 3 to 4 weeks. So pretty much monthly. So I'm cleaning up the hair, and then what I'm going to do is use a spoolie to just brush my brow hairs up, and I'm going to proceed to cut them. Again, this is something that I would do once a month. Or should I say as needed. Now I'm also going to brush them downward to see if there's any hair there that I need to remove. Clean that area up. And I'm going to proceed with the outlining of my brow. First, I usually make sure that I moisturize my brows because I want to make sure that my skin is supple and ready for product. So I'm taking my MAC brow pencil in the color Spiked, which is my hands down favorite. I have tried 1,000,001 brow products, but this is my favorite. It just gives me, it just does so much, and it's easy to work with. You can lightly go ahead and fill in your brows, which is what I'm doing, creating the shape and the arch that I want. Once I do that, I go ahead and outline my brow with concealer. What this is going to do, it's going to make your brows appear very sharp, very crisp and just freshly done. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. My concealer is about 2 shades lighter than my complexion. I would not go any lighter than that. I advise people that all the time because it will just not look right when it's blended, or for flash photography, it will not come out right. So go about 2 shades and that's it. So I'm just carefully going around my brow. I always alternate brows. I don't really completely do one brow at a time. I just alternate in between. And I'm just going across the top of it. And what I've changed is I also go in between my brows now. So I will put the concealer in between, because what that does is it will make the entire area the same color. It won't be so much of a contrast. So you want your entire forehead to be the same. You don't want it to be a highlighted spot and then it's dark in the middle. So that's why I put it in between. It really has stepped up my brow game. So right there, I'm just blending it out. And as you can see, the pencil that I use, it's not moving. I'm not being extremely gentle when I'm blending, but I'm being careful, and my brow pencil does not move. So I like the tail of my brows to be dark and full, so I'm going to take an eyeshadow in the color black, and I'm just going to proceed to fill that in. Now, if there's any errors or mistakes, you can always take your concealer brush and just remove that. Very quick, very simple. And as I move towards the inward area of my brows, I do not put any more product on my brush. I'm just going to go ahead and lightly distribute the product because I want the inner part of my brows to appear lighter and very natural. As natural as it can be when you're filling in your brows, but yeah. What I find, guys, is using the shadow to fill in your brows, especially when the weather gets hot. It actually sets the brow because I'm using a pencil, which is like a cream, and that's going to set it. And also it's just going to give it a lasting ability. I also, at the end of my makeup process, I will use setting spray, and these brows will not move, baby. You won't see that today, but basically that will let you know that my brows will be set and you don't have to worry about it coming off or looking crazy throughout the day. So once I've done filling it out or filling it in the way that I want with the eyeshadow, I just take my brow pencil again, just going ahead and fixing up my lines, because seriously guys, this is probably the longest part of my makeup routine, getting my brows straight, and it takes me about 3 to 5 minutes. So it's really not a long process. It all depends. Any given day, some days it's a hit and other days it's a miss, and I have to keep trying. But yeah, just patience and just keep trying and you guys will be able to get it. Alright guys, so I'm satisfied with the look. This is my updated brow routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Smooches guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, and most importantly, be a blessing. Mwah.